What's going on, everyone? Salinas Cat Mods here. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Chris Salinas at Chris D Salinas triple S at the end on Instagram, and at ssc.mods MODZ as well. And before we get into the video, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button because it does help out the channel a lot, and hit that like button if you guys end up liking this video. What's going on, everyone? Salinas Cat Mods here, and today we're going to be installing these new tires and rims that we just got. We picked these up yesterday in San Antonio. Found these set off of a 2020 Silverado, and the reason I got these just so I could have another set of spare steel wheels. But for now, we're just going to install these just to get a quick fitting of what they're going to look like. So for the center caps, this is what they look like. Alright guys, so we just came back from a highway test drive. We ended up taking it through a back road and we ran it over some loose gravel, and I'm not surprised. It's a way smoother ride compared to the other 22s that I have, and those 22s, the MRR T228, those are wrapped in 305 40 22s. So these that I have on right now, they are 255 70 17. So there's way more way more tire to it, so therefore obviously you're gonna get a better ride. So that's my overall thoughts on these new wheels that we just put on there, on how they feel and the differences between these wheels and the old wheels. The next day, little update of what we got going on. Monday afternoon, we just finished up the headlight bulb replacements on the 2018 F-150 that my dad has. We ended up putting those LED bulbs on there instead of the halogen bulbs that I had before, that yellow tint that it had. So we had those for a while, we just never installed them. Back here we got the set of the 22 by 10s, but so far we got silver with clear in mind, or the satin silver with the Casper clear on there for the powder coat. So we'll see on there once we get there. Check out the little color swatches that they have, and we'll take it from there. So it's about an hour, about 2 hours to get there from Brackenville, because from Brackenville to Uvalde, it's about 40 minutes. So it's about an hour and 20 from Uvalde. Yeah, it's about 2 hours to get there to the shop. We'll see once we get there, but without further ado, let's keep on trucking. Alright guys, so we just got here to GTZ powder coating. You can see the info right there. Boy, no más. Out here bumping. Shop truck right here. Nice graffiti work over there.
Different color swatches that you can choose from for your wheels, frames, or brackets, or whatever you have. So blue, gray, metallics, all kind of red. These are all the powders that we stock here in stock, and then these are all the colors for Cerakote. We also do Cerakote, so we Cerakote firearms, and then right here is our laser engraver. So this thing we get laser engraved ARs, slides for pistols, Yeti cups, any kind of metal. We do that there.
Nice.
And yeah, this is our little office right here.
Alright, so as you guys can see, they have multiple colors to choose from. Several color swatches here if you guys want to come out here.
So anything that has flake, you want to clear it, because if you don't clear it and you just leave this one on there with the sun beating down on it, it's going to fade the flake out, and then you'll have fade spots.
All right guys, so we just finished up here at the shop, dropping off the wheels with Robert. Wasn't able to get some footage because my phone was bugging, but we ended up getting them dropped off. Got things sorted out with Robert, so he's gonna get that done. He's gonna give me a call once they're done by the end of this week, so y'all stay tuned. June 21st, during the week, and we are currently waiting for the rims to be done. So I'm patiently waiting for that, and I'm excited for that to be done. But as some of you guys may know, we ended up selling the 92 F250 since I had no use for it anymore, and I've been using my truck Silverado as a daily driver. So as you guys can see right here, it is clearly a daily driver. So I want to give a huge shout out to OEDRO Auto Parts. They went ahead and reached out to me, and they provided me with some floor mats for my Silverado. So here you guys got the before, the after. Nice design here for some grip. We got heavy duty rubber material. You step in here, there's no chance of your carpet getting affected since you're getting full coverage over that carpet. So another cool thing I liked about these floor mats is that on the edges, it's an upward slope. So if you happen to spill a cup of soda, it'll go down towards the center and it will not penetrate the carpet. So now I'm gonna show you guys how simple it is to clean. I sprayed some all-purpose cleaner by Chemical Guys. The grooves aren't deep, so you won't have a hassle to get into each groove compared to the original floor mats. It's very hard to get into those grooves with the microfiber. Your finger does not fit in there.
That's what she said.
So overall, I'd highly recommend these floor mats if you do care about your vehicle and the quality of the carpet that you have. Because over time, that carpet will deteriorate as you get in and out of the vehicle. So if you guys do decide to purchase some floor mats from OEDRO.com, make sure you guys use my discount code, which is SSC15, and you'll be getting 15% off of any purchase that you guys have. And they offer floor mats for GM trucks, Ford trucks, Toyota trucks. They offer rock lights, LED bars, a lot of off-road accessories, fender flares. So once again, make sure you guys use my discount code and you'll be saving yourself 15% off whatever you guys purchase. All right guys, so it's a beautiful Wednesday morning. We're currently heading out to San Antonio, Texas, and we're heading out to the shop at GTZ. Goose sent me a message letting me know that the wheels are ready to pick up. So I'm excited to see what they look like. So let me take you guys with us. All right, Goose, so what's all that goes down to get these wheels done, man?
So the first thing we did, we got them, came over here to our tire machine, we dismounted the tires, took off the sensors on the valve stems, and then once we're done with that, we take them out there in the back in our tank, dip the wheels in there, it chemically strips all the powder, paint, or primer, or whatever's on the wheel. These were black, so we strip that. Once we strip them out, we take them out, rinse them off, we come out here in our 12-foot conics.
Gotcha.
This part all right here gets mashed off because you don't want any powder right there. If you put powder there, it'll mess up the balance. So from there, we went back over there to our booth. It got sprayed in metallic silver. From there, it goes over here to the oven, gets baked halfway, gets taken out. The cool down. From there, it goes back to the booth, spray with the clear coat. Come back over here to the oven for the full bake. Once they came out, we put them right here. Let them cool down like we did these wheels in this skid plate. Once we did that, bring it back over here on the tire machine, Your wheels are a reverse mount.
Okay.
So we have to reinstall a new valve stem, put the wheel right here, and put the tire back on and everything. From there it comes over here. Sure that the balance are on, we balance them out with the weights and everything, and then bam. And now they're right there in the back of your truck, ready to mount to your vehicle.
There it is, ready to go.
There you go. Mount, balance, everything. Good to go.
Just like that. Got the wheels back in the truck. We're ready to go. Appreciate it, though.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, brother.
Guys, so there you guys have it for the transformation on the 22-inch rims that we got powder coated in alien silver and clear coat on there. It really sets off the truck with the chrome accents up front and the top half that is silver, which is vinyl wrap that I did that. You guys can check that out in one of my older videos on how I did that. But other than that, I like the way the wheels came out and the way the floor mats came out as well. Those floor mats look real good inside the truck, and these wheels look real good outside the truck. So overall, I'm satisfied with the entire outcome of this video. If you guys like this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know what you guys want to see future videos. Other than that, we out.